Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall programs not listed in control panel in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So press the Windows key and R button together, type the command appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Now this lists a lot of programs, but if you compare this with all the programs on your system, these are very few. I'll explain why. But first of all, let me explain the resolution. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane and just compare this list, this huge long list, with this short list in the control panel. And even in this list, at least a few of these programs are Microsoft's own, the Visual C++, redistributable and all. So there is a reason for it. Since Microsoft migrated Windows to a new build in which the prioritization was with the settings app, control panel was shallowed down. So try uninstalling apps from the settings menu if you can uninstall them. Okay, they can also help you debloat the system, or else you can use a third-party software called Revo Uninstaller. It's free of cost, no need to pay for it. It has a pro version, but the free one is more than sufficient. And then find the software that you wish to uninstall, and you can pick that and uninstall it from the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.